Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add collaboration on Instagram post after posting, right? So let's go into the Instagram mobile application here, and you have to just click on the profile icon which is on the bottom right side corner, right? And just click on there. And after that, you can see this is the post. And here in this post, if I want to add the collaboration, so I will just click on the three dots which is on the top right side corner. Then you can see there's a no option where you can just add the collaboration. So what you have to do, you have to click on the edit option. Just click on the three dots here, and after that you will get this option of edit. So click on the edit, and after that you can see you can just only add here. For example, you can see that I have added this with paper workshop. So I will just close this, and you have to just turn it on, and after that you have to click on brand partner, and you can search the person with whom you want to collaborate. For example, I can search here paper, and it will take a very few seconds, and basically I have to wait here, and I can select it and click on add. Then you have to take approval from this person or this ID, right? So here if I just try to do with any of the ID, it will ask me the same thing, and after taking the continue, right? So basically this is pending. After when the paper boat rings will allow me, then you have to click on check mark, and you have to click on the tick mark, and that's it. Then only you will able to see here, right? Then again you have to click on the tick mark which is on the top right side corner. So this is it guys. This is the only way where you add the collaboration on Instagram after posting. So if you found this video really useful, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.